today I have the iPhone 16 Pro in Desert Titanium, showing you everything that comes inside the box and kind of getting my first impressions of this brand new color. I was actually surprised at how much people were lining up at the Apple Store in Toronto. I didn't really think that there would be much hype for this phone. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway of a $50 Apple or Amazon gift card. All you have to do is subscribe, comment down below, letting me know what you think about the new iPhone 16, and also give the video a thumbs up, and that's it. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the box and show you that new color. This is how the packaging looks, very similar to last year. I have it in the Desert Titanium, and yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Very satisfying to unpeel these, and let's go ahead and take it out the box. And this is the color. First impressions, I think it looks really good. It's more of a rose gold. I should point that out. It's not a like a gold. I did think it was more gold. Let's go ahead and take it out the box, and I'll have a look at it in a second, but before I do, let's just show you what else is inside of the box. In the box we have a braided USB-C cable, and because I'm in Canada, I also have a SIM ejector tool. They still have those in Canada. It's not the eSIM only version that they have in the States, but I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. I wish that they kind of color matched the cables with the iPhone, just so that you have a little bit of a flare. But yeah, USB-C to USB-C cable in the box. We also have these manuals. These are like an oval shape. So in the past it was like I believe it was like a square manual. They changed it, I don't know why, maybe to add that flair, but I feel like there's a bunch of other things they could have done instead. That will be it. So there's no stickers in the box, but you can ask for it in the store. But that's pretty much what's in the box as we're used to. All right, back to the iPhone. Let's go ahead and take off the paper. Very satisfying. This is the display. I'll power it up in a second, but before I do, let's just look a little bit more at the body. It's not the light here. I promise you, this is kind of like a pink kind of color, like rose gold. But on the side, you do have a bit better gold here. As you can see, it's like more gold. No, that's kind of around the camera ring. And on the side, you get that finish here. Too much of a fan of this color. I do think it's a little bit too rosy for me. I didn't want something a little bit more gold. But yeah, it's the new color of the year, so people might be excited about this. On this side, we have the volume up and down button. And then we also have the camera control button. I'm gonna call it a button. I know Apple doesn't want to, but it's the camera control button. Powering up, and while it does that, just going to quickly compare it to last year's iPhone 15. This is the mint green iPhone. As you can see, like last year on the iPhone 15 models, it was very muted. I'd say that this year it's very similar. On the Pro, it's kind of muted for the new colorway. This does have a 6.3 inch display versus a 6.1 inch display, and really they're going to feel very similar in the hands. But yeah, the bezels on the side are indeed slimmer. So like if I was to show you this edge, then you're going to see how it looks. It kind of falls off the display. I think it looks good, but obviously I have to get more into the phone to do that. But yeah, those are my first impressions of the iPhone 16 Pro in the Desert Titanium. The color's okay. I like the sides more than I like the color. I do think it leans towards pink, but maybe I'll get used to it. I'll probably slap a case on it anyway. Let me know what you want me to test in the full review. I have that coming soon, along with the day in the life, so make sure to subscribe and also enter that giveaway. Good luck to everyone, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.